Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be checking out some Bronco Script Emblems that I picked up off Amazon. I wanted to check them out and see if they're worth your money. Let's get them installed and check them out. These are a nice set of ABS plastic Bronco Script Emblems, and they have a 3M style adhesive on the back of them. They're finished in a gloss black, which really complements the front grille on our outer banks, and also the gloss black of the OEM Sasquatch wheels. I finally succumbed to the Bronco Script Emblems. I previously had some decals on the side, so I had to peel those off first. Then you need to clean that area really well. I always use Meguiar's Quick Detailer and a microfiber towel. Next I put some 1-inch blue painter's tape along the swage line. Another strip at right angles to the first one, and then a third and a fourth piece. This makes the gap 2 inches all the way around. I then offered up the Bronco emblem just to see if I was happy with the positioning. Once I was happy with it, I then measured the distance from the bottom of the blue line to the bottom of the Bronco emblem. In this case it was 2¼ inches. So then I measured 2¼ inches from the blue painter's tape down and put another marker. I did the same a little bit further over to put another marker down to get me a level. Now this is not going to be level with the ground, the Bronco isn't level. This is going to be parallel to the swage line. I fill in the gap between the markers just to give myself a guideline. And then I do one last check before sticking it down. When I was happy with it, I peeled the backing off of the emblem. Just take your time and it will all come away evenly. Now go ahead and position it along that blue painter's tape line. This is the point of no return, you get one shot. Press it down firmly to make sure that it's adhered properly. Then peel off the painter's tape, step back and admire your work. And now you're going to repeat the process on the other side. Again, I already had a decal there, so I had to remove it and clean the area first. You really want to clean this area well first anyway. Again, marking up with the painter's tape, I just want to make sure I have a 2-inch gap all the way around. Now measuring down 2¼ inches from that top blue line. That gives me the guideline I need. It never hurts to double check your emblem placement again. Peel off the backing film and stick it down. When you're happy with the placement, press it down firmly, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And then go ahead and remove the painter's tape. If you're interested in these script emblems, I've put a link to the product in the description below. You can put these emblems wherever you want. I chose to put them on the fenders. I used some blue painter's tape to mask the area and where I was going to put them, make sure they were lined up level. And you just peel off the backing and stick them on. They look great. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give the video a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.